welcome back to my channel. I am Sharika Swaby. The channel has been rebranded. It is now called Life Mastery. We are continuing with this week's topic of who we are, and today we are looking at how we create our own experiences. So a couple of years ago, I woke up one morning and realized that I was stuck. I wasn't growing. I wasn't accomplishing the dreams and goals that I had set out for myself. And for some of those dreams and goals, I had completely forgotten about them. So why did this happen? Well, it happened because I did not know that I was the creator of my own experience. I thought I was defined by the color of my skin, where I was from, how much money I had, and a bunch of other things. And this is why I talk about beliefs so much on this channel, because beliefs are so powerful. I had so many crappy beliefs, and I was blaming my past, I was blaming my parents, I was blaming my mistakes. I was blaming everything and everyone around me but myself. As it would turn out, I am a creator, and so are you. I was creating my own experiences. I was creating my own personal devastating experiences from my own personal devastating way of thinking. I was a classic negative, and I didn't even know it. Why didn't I know? Because of what I said yesterday. What you believe determines what you think about. What you think about cause you to feel a certain way. Those feelings creates your vibration. Those vibrations are your frequency. That frequency determines what you attract. That attraction is what you experience, and your experiences will always, without fail, reinforce, confirm what you already believe. And that's what was happening to me. My experiences was confirming the flawed beliefs that I had. So I was stuck in a cycle, an endless loop. I wasn't going to move. I wasn't going to go anywhere. Luckily, I realized what was happening, and I was able to jump out of that loop. But once you remain in that loop, you'll never accomplish the things that you set out to do. As I learned these facts, as I learned this way of life, this way of thinking, I had so many ha-ha moments. So many times I was like, okay then, that's why that was happening this way, and that's why that happened this way. Everything I realized, it all made sense how much I was creating my own experiences. There was no one else to be blamed, and no one else was responsible for my life. In other words, no one can create for you. So no matter what has happened, no matter who you think is to be blamed, no matter why you think it happened, somewhere in your subconscious mind, you were harboring thoughts that cause these events to come together and cause you to have the experience that you had. You are the creator of your own experience. There are no exceptions. It's the law. And unlike laws of human societies, there is no escaping this one. You will reap what you sow, essentially. So if you like this video, if it resonated with you in any way, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have something that you would like to say. Until next time, I am Sharika Swaby, and this has been Life Mastery. Thank you so much for watching.